Kynhun Myntri kalarai ban Pynkylla ke Rukom map lani ke Remission yaki Koidi. Myntri rang ba uli thu bo superintendent jang patok ula ban le da ke sumoto ban pendunai ke jing pensajana ke taki brio ke badan ke jinglong jingman ke babha. Halor ka planning service rules Myntri rang ba uli thu bala Pynkylla ki kendon trekam kata ke rule ke basau ke rule bahnyo hado arpun riau ka Meghalaya planning service rules chajar kendai spa kendai.
We had 10 formal items and one informal item today in the cabinet, and we have approved them all. The first, the agenda or the item was the appointment of the chairperson of the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission. As you're aware, there is a committee that is headed by the Chief Minister, and the Speaker, the Deputy Chief Minister, and the Leader of Opposition are part of that committee. And that committee selects the chairperson and proposes it, and the cabinet and then ratifies it. So in that, the committee at that point in time, the meeting was held about a week or 10 days back, we have proposed the name of Justice Vaidyanathan, who is the former Chief Justice of the Shillong bench, the Shillong High Court, the Meghalaya High Court. That is now agenda number one. Agenda number two was there was an approval for the notification of the remission policy. This is as per the mandate of the Supreme Court, and all the states are working on that. Basically, the point is to make it simpler and to allow the superintendent of the jail to also suo motu, if he or she feels, to announce or to bring a person's, whichever the convicts, the punishment to be reduced or to be released. So those decisions are there. So there's a reform in that, and Supreme Court has recommended. And based on that, we have taken the decision today to implement that particular mandate of the Supreme Court.